What's up, guys? My name is Andre. I'm the CEO of edgeful.com, and in this video, we're going to be covering trading strategies for futures traders. So what we're looking at right here is the Orb Algo from Edgeful. If you're interested, go to edgeful.com/algos. The link will be in the description of this video. But what I want to cover here is the most powerful algo that we have that has been passing funded challenges, that has been getting payouts, that honestly, and like not even exaggerating, has been changing the way that traders have been trading in general. The reason is, there's really two reasons. Number one is that we're giving you a strategy that actually works. And you can see right here, this is a TradingView backtest of the entire year of 2025. It has returned just on one NQ mini, $24,000, almost $25,000, 21% drawdown, 74 trades, 77% win rate, a 2.5 profit factor. And if we go to the list of trades here, you're going to see the actual list of every single trade that it's taken. Not too many consecutive losers. So if you trade with a prop firm, you're trying to pass an eval, or if you trade your own personal capital, this strategy is very, very good for getting your account off the ground and getting away from that drawdown. And the reason is because the win rate is very high. Now, what you'll notice here is that I have changed a few settings. If you want to know what the settings are, you're going to have to go to edgeful.com/algos. We have a Discord. I also have some explainer videos going over the actual individual settings. So make sure to go check that out. But what you'll notice here is that you win very often, but your winners are not as big as your losers, right? So we have a $1,000 loss here, which is typically bigger than any of the winners, but we win so often that it doesn't really matter. So you take a $1,000 loser, look, next day, you make back almost 90% of that loss. The following day, you're back at a drawdown. So really the important piece of this is that we give you the foundation of an amazing strategy that you can actually customize based on your risk tolerance, based on how you like to trade, based on the targets that you want, the win rate, the R multiple. You can literally customize anything. The position size, literally whatever you want. So the confidence piece of understanding, like, what should I be looking at? What should I be trading? We have all the answers here for you. This is a very obviously profitable strategy. The drawdown is low. The win rate is high. The profit factor is amazing. The performance is amazing. And this is where all the questions about, like, am I even trading something that is profitable, goes away, because you have the backtest. You have the list of every single trade. You have the run up, the drawdown, everything. You have the time, the time of the entry, the time of the exit. The price is literally like everything you can ask for to see if a strategy is profitable. You have it right here. Now, the other piece is that almost always the struggling traders have a problem with execution. Edgeful.com, we have fully automated executions, whether it's for your broker, like a regular cash account, if you put money into a NinjaTrader or Tradeovate account, or if you trade with a prop firm. So we have any prop firm you can connect to Tradeovate, and then we are also releasing in the next coming week, and today is September 30th. So if you're watching this past, like, in a few days from now, maybe September 10th, we will have Project X as well. So if you trade a prop firm that uses Project X or Tradeovate, you will be able to fully automate your trading. So what does this mean? Your entries, your targets, your stop loss, all of it will be fully automated, so you don't have to hesitate anymore. There's no more moving your stops. There's no more taking profits early. Everything is done for you. And now we are eliminating the main concern with most traders, which is your emotions, right? We are taking the control here or you are actually taking control because you are trading something fully automated. And what's really nice is that we actually, like, as Edgeful, we don't interfere with your trades at all. It's all based on what you want. It's not our recommendations. It's based on what you want to trade whether it's for a certain win rate or a position size or a certain ticker, whether it's like gold, oil, NQ, ES, YM, it doesn't matter. We're not telling you what to do. We give you the opportunity to decide, hey, this is a strategy that I want to trade based on all these metrics right here. And now you can start to run that. And now you know that you're actually sticking to a strategy that works as opposed to something that doesn't. So this is the Orb strategy on NQ in the entire year of 2025. So obviously this equity curve is like a trader's dream, right? Small losers, not very many consecutive losers. This is really what you want. We do have three other algos, one for the gap fill, for the IB, and for engulfing candles. I recommend that you guys start out with the Orb because it's the most consistent with this type of equity curve. Now, as a reminder, I do have some settings here that are different from what you'll see in the default, but it's not very complicated. We do have a private Discord that where like I actually do live streams every weekend, and we'll go over the settings in there. So if you are looking for a trading strategy as a futures trader, the Orb Algos are going to be the right place for you to start, because you can just trade them manually. You don't have to automate, or you can automate. So it's totally up to you. And you're really not going to find equity curves that look like this with the transparency and the customizability that edgeful.com gives you. So if you're interested, no pressure, obviously, make sure to go check out edgeful.com/algos.